Hello everybody, welcome again to Jump Japan. This is your host William, and as usual we're back in Japan and we're here with another video about things that happen in Japan. If you're an enthusiast of Japan and you know much about the country, you will understand one aspect of the Japanese culture is a group mentality. And in Japan they always move in groups, and winning is not so important as carrying the whole group together with you. Now in this event, there was this little kids, I think they were all less than 10 or 8, about 8 years of age, and they were learning how to ride these motorcycles. Now, as with every group of learners, there's always going to be the fast learner and the slow learner. And every time the first learners reached the goal, they had to sit there patiently, without complaining, without fidgeting, wait for the last boy in the park to get back to the goal, and then from there again they would move all over the course in the same setup and the same grouping. And it was so nice, and it was a very, very informative way of learning how this culture is really bred into these people. And this is what we had to see, and hope you enjoy the video. Take care, peace, and as always, watch out for each other, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.